Welcome to our deep dive into ApeCoin, the innovative cryptocurrency driving the NFT revolution. Let's uncover what ApeCoin is and how it operates in the dynamic world of digital assets. ApeCoin, born from the visionary mind of its creator, aims to democratize access to NFTs and empower creators and collectors alike. Learn about its unique features and how it functions within the blockchain ecosystem. Discover the mastermind behind ApeCoin and their vision for the project's future. We'll delve into the creator's background, motivations, and contributions to the NFT community. Explore the vibrant community surrounding ApeCoin, driving its growth and success through active engagement and support. From Discord servers to social media groups, discover how the community fosters collaboration and innovation. Dive into the world of Bored Ape Yacht Club, one of the most iconic NFT collections associated with ApeCoin. Learn about its origins, unique traits, and the cultural significance within the NFT space. Discover Mutant Ape Yacht Club, another groundbreaking NFT project tied to ApeCoin. Explore its distinctive characteristics, artistic appeal, and its role in shaping the NFT landscape. Uncover the origins of ApeCoin and the driving force behind its creation. Learn about the project's mission to revolutionize NFTs and provide new opportunities for creators and collectors. Curious about how and where to buy ApeCoin? We'll guide you through the process, highlighting the best platforms and marketplaces for acquiring this coveted cryptocurrency. Explore why ApeCoin has become one of the most famous and viral NFT projects in the crypto space. From its unique artwork to its active community, discover what sets ApeCoin apart from the rest. Join the bustling community of ApeCoin enthusiasts, engaging in lively discussions and collaborations across social media platforms. Learn how the community contributes to the project's ongoing success and growth. Discover why ApeCoin is among the most important NFT projects today, shaping the future of digital ownership and creativity. Explore its impact on the broader NFT ecosystem and its potential for long-term success. In conclusion, don't miss out on the exciting opportunities offered by ApeCoin and the NFT revolution. Subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content and updates on ApeCoin and other groundbreaking projects. Don't forget to hit that like button and join the conversation.